cup.
In cup.
On the side.
On the side.
In all.
You got it. So here's how we're going to play. Oh, you know what, Ronnie? I need to grab a dice. Hang on just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, Ronnie. Here we go. Okay, so here's how we're going to play. So, very first.
Can I go first?
Yes. Well, here, you know what? I'm going to show you how to play. Okay, so I'm going to flip a card, and my card says number 4. So then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's my whole turn. I put 4 in here, and then we'll mark 4, because there's 4 in our cup right now. Now your turn, so flip over a card. Okay, and we're gonna put that right next to the cup. So then we would put, there's 6 on the side of our cup. And now what we have to figure out is how many are there all together in the cup and on the card.
10.
10. How did you know?
Because I know the 2 times table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. And I'm going to start there.
Wow. So knowing the 2 times table, how did that help you figure out that 6 and 4 was 10?
Because 6 and 4 is in the 2 times table.
Right. So both, you knew that 4 was in the 2 times table, and you knew that 6 was in the 2 times table. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to clear these.
And I know 10 is in the 2 times table.
You're right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so let's, you pick a card. And let's see, so. Okay.
7.
Okay, and so then, okay. Okay, and for, let's, okay, and pick a card and we'll put it next to it.
So.
And then what's this one?
9.
Okay. You can also
15.
So here's another thing that you can do. So there's 9, these are called clovers on this card. So you could count the clovers, and we can also, no problem, dump these out.
And in 532, this is called clubs. And this is
Exactly.
called diamonds, and this is called hearts.
You got it. So let's count, if we know this is 9.
And there's another one called spades.
Mm-hmm. If we know this one is 9, let's count by adding these counters. So 9, and then it goes
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
There were a lot in this cup. A lot in this count, right? We have 7 in here and 9 out here. So let's change this 15 to a 16. To find our next number, let's try rolling the dice. Roll the dice and we'll see how many bears we should put in the hat this time.
4.
Okay?
Did it.
Great, and now let's pick a card.
9.
9, is this number on the card?
Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10, so I'm just...
So you're giving me the answer by saying 9, right? Because this is 5. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so then it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got it. Let's do it.
Because I know 5 plus 5 is 10, and I just had to add one less.
Because you knew that 4 was one less than 5? That's smart thinking. Do you want to keep the score this time? Or do you want me to write the numbers? Okay. Let's roll the dice.
6!
6.
I hope it's 1. 8!
Okay, so let's put 6 bears in the cup.
$14.
14. So what number did you start counting with that time?
6.
Because that was the number you rolled, so you knew there was 6 in here?
No, these are 8. This is 8. So I started with 8 and then counted 9.
I see. So you drew an 8 card, so then you counted 8 bears and added 6 to that? Gotcha. Okay, let's roll another one.
I'm gonna keep yours. My turn?
Your turn.
Did you go?
You can go this turn. You can roll the dice.
Okay. 6
Another
again?
6. Okay, so this time we're going to count 6 bears into the cup, and we can always dump them out.
3. No, I don't want to put it into the cup.
Why not?
9, because I know the 3 times table up to 9.
So how did you know that 3 plus 6 was 9?
Because they're both in the 3 times table.
Talk me through your thinking.
Well, it's basically just like the 2 times table. Basically just like the first one. Oops. Because I know the 3 times table up till 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 6 is 9.
So if we have, I'm going to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 and we have 3. And we know that 6 plus 3 together is 9, like you said. What if we added another card? Then what would we have?
8.
So if we have 6, and we added those to 3, and we know that's 9, and then we added 1, 2 more.
We let you dance. I play with dolls.
It would be the same as if I added 2 more bears here. We're going to do one more, but we can wait for this class to go in. Oops, okay. So we're going to do one more, so roll the dice. 4, okay? And
4.
4. How did you know that?
Because I just know it.
That's when you've memorized. You know 4 plus 4 is 8. If I
And
had-
I also memorized 7 plus 7 is 14.
7 plus 7 is 14. So if we know that I have 8, if I took 1 away, how many would we have?
7.
But if we started with 8 and I added 1 more, how many would we have then?
And let's on this page draw something green. What's green besides turtles?
9.
Grass. Can you draw some grass? You want to do it with green axes and on the color?
So during this game, you used a lot of different strategies, like you used times tables, 2s and 3s. What other strategies did you use to help you figure out what the number was total that you were looking for? You forgot. Let's do one last one, okay? So roll the dice, and then we're gonna go inside.
5.
5, okay? So count 5 into the cup.
I don't want to.
Okay. 5 and what's that number?
7.
7. So how will you figure out what?
This is the spade I was talking about.
You're right. How will you figure out what 5 plus 7 is? How will you figure that out?
One green. Turtles are green. Grass is green. And you can think of a fruit that's green. What's green fruit? Mangoes. Let's drop it. Go ahead and get this green.
You can use these if you want to.
I think. I'm sure
Okay. 12.
How did you know?
Because 5 and 7 is 2 more than 10. I mean than 5. So then I basically added.
There you go.
So I basically said then it was 10, but then I added 2 more to 10.
Because you had those 2 left over. Yeah. Awesome. Rania, thanks for playing these math games with me. We can go on inside. Yeah. Did you like?
Yeah, I liked the game. Can I see the video?